Hi guys, Jonathan here, and it's 2 full days after my hair transplant with DHI Australia. I wanted to update you guys. Feeling amazing. I keep looking in the mirror at these new little hairs and can't wait to see them grow back completely. In terms of the recovery period and my expectations, I really thought I wouldn't be feeling too good at all for 2 or 3 days after, but I feel fantastic. The night of the procedure, I didn't actually take my painkillers. I didn't feel I needed to. I just went straight to sleep. I had a really good sleep. And the recovery period's gone pretty much exactly how DHI said it would. Bit of fluid started up here, a bit of swelling came down to here, and now it's currently sitting around my eyes, and that should be gone tomorrow. I'm back to work tomorrow, so I'm getting lots of texts from colleagues asking how it went, so can't wait to show them. In terms of the back of my neck where they took the hairs out of, that is looking awesome as well. As you can see in there, recovering super fast, so just really happy with how it's gone so far. Did not think it would go this well, so super pleased. And in terms of, I guess, in terms of you guys watching this, I don't want to convince you that a hair transplant is right for you, but one thing I would encourage you to do, and something I can honestly say changed my life, was getting into DHI for a consultation or a diagnosis with them. The cost was pretty much next to nothing, and it was close to an hour of just really good advice, educational advice. I didn't make a decision on the day. I got the diagnosis, I got the plan, and I got a quote, and I made a decision after that. That's just how I did it. I didn't feel that there was any pressure on the day to make a decision either, which was really great. So I really encourage you guys to do that and get qualified information on your hair loss that you can make a decision on. So super excited, really happy with how it's going so far, and I can't wait to see these hairs grow back. So I will update you guys really soon.